Yo, what's up with it, y'all? It's JD, travelsthenix, and I'm back with another quick video. And today's video is going to be a 3-part video. The first part of the video being the home workout, and the home workout is going to consist of explosive leg movements, mobility movements, and just a little bit of upper body to keep the workout balanced. The second part of the video is going to be stretch based. Pretty much all the stretches that I go through when I'm at home and I'm able to have my mat here and get on the ground and do some ground stretches, along with some standing stretches, shoulder stretches, upper body stretches, lower body stretches, all that good stuff. And also we're going to get into a little bit of nutrition. I'm gonna have a segment in this video where I'm showing you guys how I make the smoothie that I consume probably 2 out of every 3 days, maybe every other day sometimes when I'm not intaking that smoothie a lot. But I think it's really important to start the day off with some fruit and vegetables. I'm not going to make any vegetables in this video. That's for a separate video, but for this video I'm really going to show you guys how I make that fruit smoothie. I put some seeds in there. Unfortunately, I don't have all the ingredients that I usually put in there because I just ran out of hemp seeds yesterday, but normally I do put hemp seeds in this smoothie. But like I said, it's important to get that fruit and vegetable intake every single day, no matter if it's in smoothie form or if it's actually just eating the actual fruits themselves, or a combination of adding fruits and veggies in your smoothies. So like I said, we're going to get into a little home workout, some recovery, and also some nutrition. If you guys are new to the channel and you're interested in travel and fitness content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get updates every time I drop new content. And let's get into the workout, y'all. right, first things first. First ingredient, we're gonna throw a banana in the smoothie. Usually I like to use these local Hawaiian apple bananas, but unfortunately those aren't ready to go yet. So just gotta use what we got. Throw this banana in there. Boom, that's ingredient number one. We'll probably do about a handful, a little bit more than a handful of these frozen mango chunks. Press that down. Frozen mango chunks. Organic frozen blueberries. Get about a handful of those in there. Press that down. That's pretty much it for the fruit section. I mean, usually if I have some, I usually put some frozen strawberries in there as well, but ran out of those, so gotta make another Costco run. And then next step, grab some peanut butter. And this is just organic Costco brand peanut butter. If you want, you can throw almond butter in there, or any other type of nut butter that you like to put into your smoothies. I usually like to go with peanut butter or almond butter. And one spoonful, like a big spoonful, is pretty much what I usually like to put in there. You could do it to taste. I like peanut butter a lot, so I like the taste of the peanut butter in the fruit in here. But not all fruits are gonna taste good when you put the peanut butter in with the smoothie, because I noticed that when you put like very citrusy fruits into a smoothie, like pineapple or oranges, that doesn't mix well, or kiwis for instance, that doesn't mix well with peanut butter. But if you do like berries, bananas, mangoes, those type of things mix pretty well with like the almond butter or the peanut butter. All right, so next we're gonna go with some golden flax seeds. Do about a spoonful of those. And normally I usually have hemp seeds as well, and I'll do a spoonful of hemp seeds as well. But I actually need to go to the store, like I said, and re-up on a lot of this stuff. And this is chia seeds right here, about a spoonful of chia seeds. And then I have moringa powder, and I usually either do moringa powder or maca root powder. So either or, they kind of have a lot of the same health benefits, so I usually just do one or the other. I'm out of maca root powder. I actually like the taste of that one better, but right now we have the moringa powder, which is fine. And let's just say about a half of a spoonful of that. All right, now we got all the ingredients in, all the seeds, all the powders, the milk, the fruit, peanut butter, and we're gonna go ahead and put the top on there. Screw that on, and then we're gonna go ahead and Alright y'all, the smoothie's all ready to go. Finished up the workout, got my stretching in. There's really no better way to start the day than a nice workout, some recovery, some good stretching, and a nice nutritious meal or a nutritious snack like this smoothie. So that's pretty much it for the video today. If you guys have any questions about health, fitness, travel, any of that good stuff, go ahead and hit my Instagram DM, that's at travelsthenix, or you can go ahead and send me an email at travelsthenix@yahoo.com. If you guys are interested in a personalized fitness or health plan, that being personalized workouts every single week with video examples, also a nutrition plan as well for you, you can go ahead and hit either my DM on Instagram or you can hit my email. And like I said before in a previous video, I don't do these things for free, but I do have reasonable prices. That's it for today. I'll holler at you guys later. Once again, if you guys have any questions, DM, email, or if you want to, just go ahead and hit it up in the comment section. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.